Speculation regarding the impending introduction of the two new alpha cameras from the electronics giant has Sony fans and photographers in a frenzy. The Sony A7CR and A7C Mark II. The occasion is slated to occur on August 29, 2023, and we now have access to pictures of those that were leaked. Without further ado, let's go right into the information and photographs for the Sony A7C II and A7CR that are now available. Well, over the last 2 weeks, we've seen multiple images of Sony A7C Mark II from Alex Inc. Here, we can see all the dials, buttons, and the logo itself. Although Sony has yet to officially announce the A7C II specifications, reports promise a fascinating array of improvements that will undoubtedly improve the photography experience. The camera is set to have a 33-megapixel sensor, which is similar to the sensors seen in the highly rated A7 IV model. This sensor promises great image quality and detail, allowing photographers to express themselves creatively. And this is the first photograph of the Sony A7CR that has been leaked. You can only see the logo, but it's proof that this camera exists. But you shouldn't be disappointed, because the A7CR will resemble the body design of the already leaked A7C II camera, except for the A7CR's 4D fully articulating screen, which the A7C II lacks. Instead, it has the A7 IV's fully articulating screen. Under the hood, the A7C II is set to be driven by a Bionz AI processor, implying lightning-fast performance and clever processing capabilities. The introduction of a 5-stop and body image stabilization technology is one of the A7C II's distinguishing characteristics. This technology promises to generate incredibly stable shots, even in difficult shooting situations. And its 10 frames per second continuous shooting speed adds to its versatility, making it a good choice for capturing fast-paced action or ephemeral expressions. The A7C II is anticipated to be quite comparable to the A7 IV in most aspects, boasting improved autofocus capabilities and incorporating the new AI tools. However, there are some drawbacks to the compact camera design, including a smaller electronic viewfinder, the absence of a second card slot, and the use of a micro HDMI port instead of a full-sized one. And now let's talk about the price, based on information from an anonymous source in the US who claims first-hand experience with the camera. The upcoming A7C II body is expected to be priced a few $100s lower than the current Sony A7 IV, placing it below the $2,398 mark in the US. Another source from Europe suggests that the A7C II will be priced at €2,399, approximately $600 converted, indicating a probable US price range of $2,000 to $2,200. All calculations are made considering the usual 5 to 10% price difference between Sony's US and EU pricing. And regarding the A7C II's compact sibling with higher resolution, dubbed the A7CR, only limited details are available till now. Apart from its 66-megapixel sensor, this recent leak also suggests that the A7CR will have a substantial price tag of €3,699 or around $4,000. Sony is anticipated to unveil both of these new compact camera models on August 29, 2023. So, are you excited about the upcoming Sony A7C Mark II and Sony A7CR? Let us know what your expectations are from both of these cameras. We'd love to hear from you down in the comments. And as for everything else, drop us a like, share it with your friends to spread the word, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed. As always, thanks for watching.